Looking for the best app for mental wellness, you can go with this app. And this is not a sponsored video. I have tried it personally and it is really great. You can do a lot of things, you can manage your mental health joyfully. It is very easy and it is very user friendly. You can start practicing breathing exercise, journaling, meditation, self-love, gratitude practice, physical activities. you know it asks you, and it has a wide range of mind workouts, you know outdoor walk, 1 minute breathing, box breathing, right? So you can also try that. And do let me know in the comment section if you have any better suggestion. Please subscribe for more tutorials like this. Have a wonderful day.